Welcome back to the WHHI News. Have you heard of this Bike Bluffton? It's a great event to raise funds for a very good cause, the Boys and Girls Club of Bluffton. To find out more about it, joining us now, Molly Hornbeak. She is the executive director of the Boys and Girls Club in Bluffton, and also Libby O'Regan. She is the marketing partner for the event. Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Thank you for joining me, both of you, via Zoom in different locations. What is Bike Bluffton about? I'll throw that to you, Libby.
Yeah, sure. So it's in our second year, as you mentioned, and it's a premier destination cycling event, and it's in part sponsored by the town of Bluffton. And we are drawing cyclists from all over the Southeast. So people from Charlotte, Atlanta, and all over. And it's really designed for all levels and abilities. So we have the premier destination riders that are experienced, that are doing 62 miles, or they can choose a 30-mile bike ride. Or we have more family-friendly rides at the 2-mile and 10-mile rides.
I mean, that sounds great. And you're hoping to get how many riders now for this one?
400 riders is our anticipated attendance. Okay. And we're really excited about it. We're having an event afterwards, so riders will ride in the event and then afterwards enjoy an included meal with their registration. So
it sounds great.
A party afterwards.
What's the date of that? And then I want to check in with Molly.
Yeah, so it's November 5th.
Super.
And yeah, you can register at bikebluffton.org. So that's the place to register.
Excellent. And Molly, people will hear that. I was talking to Libby before you joined us via Zoom and heard that they raised over netted more than $60,000 for Boys and Girls Club. This year, the goal is $75,000. Wow. And that will go to Boys and Girls Club in Bluffton. What's it used for?
It is to help the programs that we're running. I can't think of a better investment than to invest in our future. We have over 250 members here, and our mission is to enable all young people, especially those who need us most, to reach their full potential as caring, productive citizens. And we run a 5-core program, which includes character and leadership development, healthy lifestyles, the arts, sports, fitness, and recreation, and education and career development. Bike Bluffton, I think, is the first in Bluffton event being held like this. And last year was great. This year we're looking for a huge success. We would like to invite families to come out and do the 2-mile and 10-mile run to get them engaged in what we're doing here at the Boys and Girls Club.
Absolutely. I know I had read somewhere, gee, Boys and Girls Club is not like a babysitter. We love babysitters, but you do so much more for those young people, don't you?
Absolutely. We're definitely not a babysitting service, and we've been doing this for over 25 years now. And it's a very successful, I have to say, it's the best youth organization that exists in the world. I'm not just talking about
I'm going to hold you to that, Molly. But Libby, okay. I mean, it must have gotten a good name. I mean, the fact that the first year alone you had so many riders and raised so much money, I can see why you'd set that goal higher. But I bet in the biking world, for those that really are serious about it, but also I think it's great for the family members, you really can find what you want out of this event, right?
Yes.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And we have the support of the Bluffton Police Department to encourage a really safe ride. And like Molly said, we really encourage not just the avid cyclists, but the families to come out and really support the club and make it a really fun morning. It's a Sunday morning. So we look forward to having everybody out there.
Okay. If you could let us know again where they go to register, the registration fee and the date, that would be great.
Yes, so it's Sunday, November 5th, and you can register at bikebluffton.org. You can also navigate it to from the Boys and Girls Club of Bluffton's website. And the registration fee is $75, but we do have a family-friendly kind of option for up to 5 people to register for $50. So we don't want it to be cost prohibitive. Of course, if you're able to register at the $75, go for it. We want everybody to come.
Well, I want to thank both of you for joining me and letting us know about a great event for Boys and Girls Club of Bluffton. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we will be back with more right after this.